Hello, in this video I want to show you how to change lock screen wallpaper for Motorola Edge 40 Pro. To do this, we'll need to open our settings, then locate the wallpaper. Here you can choose new wallpaper by browsing your photos or any preset already made wallpapers on this device. In this case, let's go for my photos. It should open your gallery. Now you can choose whichever photo you want. Click on that photo. Then you can adjust how it will display. When you're ready, click on OK and select lock screen. Now go back. If we lock our phone, lock screen wallpaper is changed. And that's it for this video. Hope you like it. Please consider subscribing to our channel, leave a like and a comment below.